The dollar store is a hidden gem when it comes to the supplies needed for unique and creative DIY gifts and projects. While you're there, don't forget to choose 2 complementary colors of ribbon. Wrapping the ribbon around the candle and securing it with glue is definitely easier with an extra set of hands. This is a great project for little ones that want to get in on making these beautiful candles. Pick the flowers you think Mom will like best, making sure to get enough for each candle you are creating. If you're making more than one, you can set up an assembly line and work together to create the finished products. Once you have created your masterpiece for Mother's Day, this will be a gift you will want to recreate for other special days throughout the year. Simply changing the color of ribbon and the added flower adornment will make these candles perfect for other holidays and gift-giving needs.